Hello, my name is Nathalie. I am 56 years old. I am half Lebanese, half Armenian, and my profession is human resources. I came to Kaminoken because in September I had quite a, let's say, nervous breakdown. I stayed home without going out for about 6 weeks, and during that time I could not eat, sleep, and I wasn't talking to anyone. And I lost 15 kilos in around 6 weeks. After which, I just didn't have really the will to do much. And bit by bit, because of my daughters, I started going back to work. And then around March, a friend of mine told me about Kaminoken and asked if I'd like to come here. Before I came to Bali and to start the program, after seeing the videos, I was quite not my idea of a retreat, let's say. I felt that it was a boot camp and I didn't have the power or the energy to do any of it. However, after talking to the coach and Magali, they made me feel so reassured and so warm and taken care of. I came and it was very revealing. I felt I was very supported. As difficult as the exercises or what we had to do was, I always felt they had my back. Coach was brilliant, and I got through it pretty well. I'm proud of myself to say. It made me understand a lot of the things that I was going through. I faced quite a bit of my blockages, and I had a beautiful revelation at the end. I honestly felt it was like a boot camp. The thought of waking up at 5:30, having only 15 minutes to get ready, do my bed and come out, and 16 hours standing meditation, 16 hours walking and sitting in a bathtub, ice bathtub, was something that I was really not ready for. And to the point that I voiced my concerns to the coach and Magali. To be honest, it was extraordinary. It was amazing. I've never felt so much at home, so much warmth and care and love. It's fantastic. I never expected a place such as, let's say, I never expected a retreat would actually give us all this to the smallest of details, asking about what our food preferences were. And I felt welcomed as a human being, not a client, not a guest, just as a pure human being. As I said, it's everybody's super kind, super caring, super warm. Everyone's there to make it the best time you could have and to help out in any way. More than a 5-star hotel or a 7-star.
Welcome to Camino Ken.
Camino Ken is a place of reform. It's a place where you get your confidence back. You get help, understanding, and you cry, you scream, you shout. However, everything is achievable if you really want to work on yourself. And the reason not everybody's accepted is because a lot of people just think it's just a retreat to come and, do half an hour of yoga, half an hour of meditation, spa. But you can have the spa and you can have the meditation or the relaxation, yet this is a place where you're coming to actually work on yourself, to get rid of your blockages and to really want to be free of all the pain and the negativity inside of you. If you're not ready to do that, I don't think you should be accepted, because at that point you're wasting everybody's time and you're wasting somebody else's chance of coming to this place instead of you. And I assure you, it's only when you really are ready to work on yourself that you should come. I have been to a lot of places where they said they could help with psychology, they could help with various other things. There were very, very few people that actually did help. If anything, they were just dismissive of everything I was feeling or I was going through. Camino Ken is a place where they actually kind of coach listens to you. He picks up on everything that you're feeling, you're going through, and Camino Ken actually does work on all that and helps you get through it. Coach Nasser. Coach Nasser is an extraordinary human being. He has so much to offer, and he doesn't make you go through anything or do anything that he has not tried. And he has basically and physically experienced, and all he really truly wants is to help. I can't even talk about the coach without tearing up. As personally speaking, he's done much more than I would have said anyone would have done in his place. And I leave Camino Ken with sadness, and I'm sure and I'm positive I will be back. Coach, thank you with all my heart and soul for everything that you've done. The warmth, kindness, love, and the open arms you greeted us with, greeted me with, and how you had my back at every single step. And you managed to get me to find my true self. And I adore you for that. Thank you.